Hi, you're watching Patadendron, and in today's video, I'm showing you how to travel with plants back from Hawaii to the mainland. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, welcome, I'm Patrick. In today's video, I'm going to show you a little something different. I'm showing you how I travel from Hawaii to the mainland with live plants. I'm here in the Daniel K. Inouye Airport in Honolulu, and we are going back home. It's so sad. I'm really excited to be taking back some plants home and unbox it for you. So I'm going to be showing you my plants journey from here to home and show you what I got to. So without further ado, let's get to the info. Prior to going to Hawaii, I did my research and found certified nurseries that are certified to ship plants back to the mainland. These nurseries also offer a service of packaging the plant for carry-on purposes, and that is what Kawamoto Nursery did for me. We were also able to bring some musubi back on the plane, so that's exciting. I forgot to add, but it was so easy to go through TSA that I even stopped at the USDA check-in to see, like, are you sure this is okay? I just walked right through and he was like, yeah. And just like that, we have our plants on the plane. What made it so easy was truly shopping from a certified nursery. I went ahead and compiled a list of certified nurseries on Oahu, and all of these are brick and mortar nurseries. I ran into some problems and found some of the nurseries to be homes selling off Etsy, so that's not good for us. So I went ahead and took those out and had a list of the nurseries that are open to the public so that you can shop and take your plant on the plane with you back home. just like that, we're home. I say that like I'm excited. Well, I am excited to see my pets, and I'm excited to see what's in this box and show you. So a little bit about traveling with plants from Hawaii. This was super easy. I've heard of people taking the risk and taking cuttings with them on the plane and being successful. I've heard of cuttings getting confiscated, unfortunately. So there is no 100% with that one. It's just a risk that you take. I wasn't willing to really take that risk. So the easiest way is to just, as said earlier, shop from a certified nursery, and it'll just be ridiculously easy going through customs or agricultural inspection. It was just a breeze. When I was at Kawamoto Nursery, they had a huge selection of air plants, and I was asking about traveling with air plants because there's no soil required. Soil is what's actually the problem with shipping plants from one place to another, like Hawaii to the mainland, because of the possible pests. They don't want to be spreading a lot of pests, especially with California being such a huge agricultural state. They're just extra careful about that. About the air plants, I was asking, and they said that you can technically take them, but unfortunately they do still sometimes get confiscated. So that's just a risk that you take, like with other things like cuttings and such. Enough about that. The flight home was surprisingly super smooth. It went by really fast. The only thing that sucked was that one of my headphones wasn't working in the right ear, so I had to watch my movie and listen to it with one ear. And I downloaded Promising Young Woman on Amazon, and that's like one of my favorite movies. I think that's such a cool movie, even though I'm not gonna spoil the ending, but I enjoyed that. And pro tip, take some Musubis with you on the plane. That kept me well fed up until now, actually. The food in Hawaii is so good. I really like that they made this handle too. That was super handy. And let's see what things look like in here. Alright, so that's what the box looks like. We had a little layover in Maui, and I put this box in the overhead bin a few seats in front of me. I had separation anxiety and decided to keep this with me on the long flight home from Maui to LA. Little tight. So it looks like, oh, ooh, I think I know what this one is. Oh! Ugh. So I picked this up on Saturday because they were closed on Sunday. Look at this monster. What are you in there? Oh. I was wondering how they'd keep. I was like, is the flower gonna be okay? And she seemed very confident. Oh, she's so pretty. This is my Paphiopedilum Super Sook Eureka AM/AOS crossed with Raisin Pie Sinying crossed with Sib, whatever that means. That's a lot, but that was a long name. I'll keep it up longer. Kawamoto orchids had awesome rare plants, but they weren't certified to ship those, just the orchids, which I'm cool with. I fully enjoyed their orchid selection. And I only took one box home. We're gonna be going to a lot of places, so I'm pacing myself. What I really love about this is I thought that the flower itself is so cute. It's a little wrinkled from travel, but still really pretty. And I love the leaves too. The leaves are just so cool. Okay. There's lots of moisture in the pot. Interesting. There's styrofoam down there. I wonder what that serves, like for more air? I don't know. If that was just for packing or if it really is potted up like that. On to the next one. I only have 2 plants, by the way, but I'm really excited about this one. It's a little moist. I hope I don't open this thing and there's something sad. Just something sad. But oh no. You are looking good. I think it is just potted up like that because this one doesn't have styrofoam. It seems to me that she just taped it up to secure the potting medium in the pot. So I'm gonna have to see what styrofoam does in the bottom of the pot for Paphiapetalums. If anyone knows in the comments, I would appreciate it if you let me know. But I got that, you know that beautiful flower that looked like a samurai warrior butterfly, the Psychopsis? I got it. I'm so excited. I've been actually doing a lot of research on the Psychopsis before bed on my trip because I just have been looking forward to caring for this. It's super pretty. I love the flower. And I think that it also has really cool foliage. I love these little pseudo bulbs, I think is what they're called. And the modeling on the leaf is just super cool. So my thing is beautiful flowers with beautiful foliage. That is the theme for this unboxing at least. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. Thank you for coming along with me all the way from Hawaii to here and now unboxed our plants. I hope you guys enjoyed all of the content from Hawaii. I can't wait to go somewhere else now to take you guys along. These are what I got, and I hope you enjoyed the plant's journey home. I hope you guys enjoyed the short little trip to Hawaii. I enjoyed taking you guys along with, and I'm super grateful for all of you. I just hit 4K too, by the way. Thank you so much. Waking up, hitting 4K in Hawaii was amazing. So I couldn't have asked for a better 4K. I couldn't have asked for a better time, and I'm super lucky to have you guys, and I'm really thankful for all of you, so thank you so much. You know, the funnest part about coming home is seeing all the new growth that's happened inside my Mars Hydro grow tent. And yes, I'll be putting my new Psychopsis orchid in here too, but this grow tent is awesome. It's been such a huge help in keeping my plants healthy and happy and beautiful. In case you'd like to purchase one for yourself, I'll be sure to include their information in the description below, as well as my discount code Patadendron. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. It's been a journey from Hawaii to California. If you liked this video or found it informative, hopefully you learned a little bit about bringing plants from Hawaii to the mainland. And if you did, throw me a bone, hit that like button, and if you want to see more of my plant videos, come plant shopping with me. Hit that subscribe button. You won't regret it. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. I just don't want to miss you too much. So if you could show me some love in the comments, and I'll meet you there. Bye!